Hello friends, do you know how to convert MS Word to PDF? Today I will show you how to convert MS Word to PDF. Welcome to Computer Skin. First open a Microsoft Word document, then write something, then go to the menu section, click the print section, then go to the print section and click print, then type Microsoft print to PDF, then OK. After that, save as any name, then save. Already converted my document. I save it to my desktop. You can see this PDF. That's it. Thanks for watching.